Hello everyone. Welcome to Rosie's Pozie Boutique. My name is Natalie Rozie and I'm here to sell you $5 jewelry. Tonight is a ring sale that is pre-recorded. Make sure you network this video to your personal public timeline and comment the number to claim which piece that you want. I'm going to be showing 10 rings tonight. Please go ahead and comment the items that you would like and let's get started. Number one is this nice, easy, simple stretchy back on the back, and it's nice and thin, white rhinestones with a white pearl in the center to accent. Comment number one for that one. Number one. Number two ring is a thicker stretchy back with hematite stones and a little bit of a scratch-like texture in the center. Number two. Number three is a gunmetal star with white rhinestones in it to match. Number three. Number four is an urban ring that's meant for a the men's line. Very thick stretchy back and then a large hematite stone on the front. Easy neutral. Great for Father's Day. Number four. Number five is a thick stretchy back with white rhinestones in the shape of an S. Very beautiful, very blingy. Number five. Number six is a thin stretchy back with 2 rows of wavy lines that are hematite stones. You can wear them either direction, which makes it even nicer. Number six. Number seven is a thick stretchy back iridescent ring. Very, very cute. I love the iridescent with the rainbow-like stone in the center. Number seven. Number eight is a thick stretchy back once again with that beautiful moonstone in the center. Super cute. And then I love the little detailing that they have around the outside frame. Number eight. Number nine is a thick stretchy back with white rhinestones in the center with an acrylic-like case. Really, really cool. I love how dramatic this is as well. Number nine. Last but not least is number 10, thick stretchy back on the back, and then the front has a nice little floral design. Some really nice fine details on the top part, and then the white rhinestone in the center. Number 10. My friends, if you're interested in any of these pieces, go ahead and comment the number that matches. The description of this video will also explain how it works. Please make sure you network this to your personal public timelines. I am live every single day at 7 o'clock p.m. Mountain Standard Time because I do live in Denver. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend, guys. Thank you for joining me tonight. And as always, my friends, stay fabulous. Good night.